Hello everyone, I've got myself a new GoPro 11. I'm currently recording in 4K 60 frames per second, and I've got a lot of mounts. Currently I'm holding one of the mounts. I'm trying to record over here. It's got like a stability thing. I've got a couple of head mounts, and I'm gonna go somewhere, see what it's like recording with this thing. So yeah, this is what we're doing. See you on the head down by the car? Sure. Yellow car, someone hit yourself. Would anyone want some gum? I have gum for everyone. Alright. Let's go in here. So this is the old swamp again, but I saw on the maps and my video there should be a better route, and it's again fairly close. So we're going this way now. Already got bit by a mosquito. This is some bullshit. But welcome to the forest. This is what it looks like. This is what the forest is. There's frogs everywhere. But there's also some privacy. Let me get rid of that tree there. Let's strap you to my head and do a little bit of flipping. Let's do that, don't we? Shall we? Shan't we? Alright, we're gonna be doing some flipping. Let's adjust you to be like around there. But now we can walk around. There's frogs everywhere. This video is literally just to test out my GoPro. I saw how bad the quality of last video was. It was absolutely horrible. And I thought we cannot let that happen again. So I went out and splurged for some actual alright quality video. That should be something you could tell in this thing. This is all 4K with 60 frames per second. It should be 10-bit color. You can see all my gear over here, tripod. So yeah, there should be a huge difference in quality of videos with this thing. If there isn't, I'll be very sad. The reason I also wanted a GoPro is because of the head mount. With the head mount, I can use both of my hands for flipping, like shit like that. I couldn't do that before. I also want to experiment with what I'm capable of doing with dual hand, like switching hand. Now I'm training the offhand, and that's not something I could train before while recording. So this is a lot better, way better. Look at all this nature. Oh, ew, nasty. No one is gonna say anything to me being here, so this seems like a good idea to start recording. I got a mosquito who bit me right here. Mosquitoes are the worst creatures on earth, and I would be 100% fine with them being gone. That is a truth. Look at that little snail in there. Look at him enjoying the water. Also, there's a snail over there. I have gotten pretty alright at using DaVinci Resolve, which is the editing program that I use for all my other videos that I've uploaded within the last, well, I mean, I've just started like a month. This swamp is also from the video. Oh shit. Oh wow, look at that. That's something. This place is also from my previous video, the hunt for a place to record. I didn't really find any good places last time, but it feels like this time I actually found something that's kind of interesting. I'm just gonna leave these things. No one's gonna take them. I can move around like this. The reason why I want to record in a foresty area is because of the contrast and the beautiful colors. Look, there's little frogs jumping around. I don't know if you can tell, but definitely was some frogies. the color contrast with forests like this is just so much better than city or apartment or house even. I like the rawness that you get with nature. My plan is to record a lot more. This, by the way, is the Kraken that I have, I've given it a camo, like this. And I mean, I work with foil and vinyl and all that shit, so I can. Oh no! First actual drop onto dirt. All right. It seems like the mosquitoes have. Never mind. I spoke too soon. A mosquito took my finger. And then he flew to my neck. What about over here? We have like a little pathway going over here. I don't know what it's meant to be, but we can go down here for sure. Oh look, little frog. Do you see him? Little froggy, enjoying the weather, just like us. Another frog, a big boy, a big couple of boys. The key to mosquitoes is keep moving. Let's see here. What's a trick that could be fun? Let's try that again. Ah! You cannot be a good flipper if you worry about making this thing scratched or dirty. That's important. It's important to train your offhand because, well, it's said that your left hand is controlled by your right side of the brain, which is also the side of the brain that controls creativity and feelings. So maybe if you train your left hand, you'll also get a better emotional intelligence, and you can maybe be a little bit more improv-y on ideas, meaning creativity. But yeah, it's two completely different places in the brain. The only reason why some people are more prone to liking their right hand over the left and the other way around is because that part of the brain has been trained more than the same part in the left part of the brain. I don't know if it's gonna be a short video or even if it's even good or not. If it's nice, if I like this location, I might come back here. But for now, back to the car. Move your red car out of the road, bro. I'm having tortillas today. How about yourself? Good. Nice. Alright. God damn it. My shoes are ruined, but that doesn't matter. Alright, we are back home. I'm kind of excited to edit this specific video because, well, last time I edited a video and spent many hours on it, it turned out shit. And this should be 4K, 60 frames per second with 10-bit color. This should be real good. If it's bad, I'm gonna be very confused. Hope you have something nice for dinner. It seems like the mosquitoes have